spooky and fun Halloween recipes to show you, and I can't wait to show you them. A lot of people think Halloween is just about the sweets, but in our house, it's also about the meat. So, do your kids like quesadillas? Because this is a really easy, fun recipe that will add a Halloween element to a really good dish. So what we do is we just carve out a little face, add some cheese, chicken, whatever fillings you want. Let's show you how. So we already did 3 of these, and I'm just going to show you an example now. So you just want to have a decent amount of cheese, because everybody knows cheese is good. Like, if you don't know that, you should learn. You just want to put a reasonable amount of everything. Do that, and we're going to pop this in the oven at 350 until they're done. Alright, so here we have some mummies. We have meatball mummies, which are made from Italian meatballs, and you just take some crescent rolls and wrap them around them. We have these jalapenos. We stuff them with cream cheese, bacon, a lot of the good stuff. Also some shrimp. We wrap them up the same way and throw these in the oven with the quesadillas, and it's going to be delicious. For this next dish, we're going to make a skeleton meatloaf. We already have this pan loaded with bacon, and now we just need to make the meatloaf. So we got some pork, some beef, and some turkey, and we're going to mix these up with some onions, breadcrumbs, and Greek seasoning to make some really good food. We see that our bowl also contains a lot of blood. So a lot of the time I add things slowly, so like you can add a lot, you can like add too much to a dish or a bowl or something or a meal, but you can't take away that amount. So if you like put a bunch of salt in a dish and mix it up, and like the dish is salty later, you can't like just take that salt out. That's not how it works. Your thing is mixed up as much as you want to, just like any meatloaf batter, I think that's how you call it. But you just want to, I'm just going to put it in my pan right here, and we'll see you later. Alright, so our pan is completely filled here, filled with the meatloaf mixture, and if you have any left, I'm going to show you something you can do. So we have some extra of the jalapeno popper fillings, so we can just make a little meatloaves out of them, and this is going to be delicious. So as you can see here, we have a cupcake pan, and we wrap some of them with bacon, and we have the cream cheese mixture in here, and then we're just going to put the extra meat around the cream cheese, and it's going to be delicious. So a little thing you can do to make your hamburgers look a little bit more spooky is you can cut out some faces into the cheese. I like to do this beforehand. It looks really adorable. And then blood. You just add some blood to it, and it makes it look really cool. Y'all. So you may have seen this in the background, and you might wonder what it is. So we took this skull we found, like this little ceramic skull, slapped it with cream cheese, and added some meat, put some crackers around it, and you have dip on a skull. Alright, I'm Franken. Oh, look, it's me! Alright, on this dish, we have a Frankenstein dish we used using this super green tortini, and some zucchini, spinach, a bunch of other stuff. We got olives, a bunch of that stuff. We threw on this vinaigrette, and it really enhances the flavor. And to say, this is Meat Max, where's the meat? There's some canned chicken in there. It really adds a nice touch because it's meat. And if it's meat, it's good. Oh no, I just got back from Area 51, but at least I got some delicious looking meat for us to try. Here I just have a platter of cheeses, meats, everything that you can think of. And a nice little touch is some bell pepper as a heart. For one of our last dishes here, we got steak tartare. No, we're kidding. It's just Rice Krispies, but we added red velvet cake mix and red food dye, so it actually kind of looks like flesh. Alright, so we have a bountiful feast here, fit for an undead army. Thanks for watching, guys. Like and subscribe. Meat Max. Now let's dig in.